Hello gardening friend, today I'm going to show you my favorite fig tree. I've showed you my best fig tree because it's best producing, but this is my favorite for a number of reasons. So let's turn the camera around and I'll show you what we've got. It is early summer and this is my JH Adriatic fig. As you can see, it's got tons of figs all over it. Look at all those figs. I cut most of the branches off of this last year, but it's just loaded with figs this year. Now, one thing that I do not like about this fig is that it is a late season fig. In fact, it leaves a lot of figs on the tree when we get cold weather and they don't want to ripen anymore. So that's the one negative about it, but I do love the fruit. It is an Adriatic fig, so it has like a berry flavor. You can see it has figs all over it. So if the summer goes well, we should get a lot of figs off of it. That branch there is up probably 10 or 12 feet. Zoom in a little bit, see if we can see any figs on there. Oh yeah, definitely can see figs all over that branch. So it is being very prolific this year. Nice berry flavor. I'll probably cut it down after it bears this fall so that the tree becomes more manageable again. Although it's sort of nice up like that because it gives some filtered light to the garden. What do you guys think? Should I trim it down or shall I trim it at the height that it is now so that it gives filtered light like that and doesn't have very many lower branches? See, this is a nice thick trunk on the bottom. Here's my tag for it. I did get this JH Adriatic from CNY Figgery. I grew it from a little start or a little cutting. The goal of my channel is to give you information to help you become a better gardener. So let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a like, because that will let YouTube know that this video should be sent out to other gardeners like you. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. I'll see you again real soon.